This is Opus clip, how to add Facecam gaming. So guys, in order for this to work, you have to embed your Facecam first into the video. And from here on the Opus clip, just simply upload the video. You can upload it manually or you can just simply provide a link. Now, once it is done, just simply click on it. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on edit clip over here. And from here, as you can see in this video, I have a face cam. So in order for you to include it, the best option that you have is just simply click on layout over here, guys. And now from here, just go for layout split. So now once you have split it, you will have two copy of the video. And now just simply double click the clip that you want to be a face cam. And now you will see this box and you can just simply place it on the right box over here. So make sure to center it and now click on apply. And from here, you should be able to add your face cam. And you can do the same thing on the top. So this will be your clip and click on apply. And from here, you should be able to customize it pretty much. This is the best option that you have when it comes to adding a face cam into your clip. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.